Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Rakuten Viki app on your mobile device. To update the Viki app, first of all, open up your App Store or your Google Play Store from your smartphone. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, go to the search icon which should be located at the bottom or the top right corner. In the search box that appears at the top, type in Viki. Look for this application from Viki Inc. If there is an update available, you will see the option that says Update. If no update is available, it will say Open instead. For those who see the Update button, simply tap on the Update button right away, and then your download for the latest update will start. You can track the progress in the App Store's download section as well. Once the update is complete, tap on Open to start using the latest version of Viki app. And that's it! You've successfully updated the Viki app on your device. Now you can enjoy the latest feature, bug fixes, and improvements. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most of your favorite apps. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.